Sophia and Ryan, it's an honor to hold space for you both. Thank you for being here in this sacred moment, ready to take this next step in your partnership. Today is your day, one where we celebrate the love that you have shared and the lessons that you have learned over these last 7.5 years, and one where we instill your intentions for your futures together. Since your days of being coworkers to discovering a deeper connection between you, one that was playful and lighthearted, to making a house a home together. All of the growth, all of the memories, even the mundane or challenging experiences, all of them have played a part in making this very moment possible.
Ryan, my soulmate, my love, my flame in the dark, my strong hand to hold and to guide me, my everything, my best friend, and today I get to call you my husband. I promise to respect you, to put you above anyone else, to make you feel valued and appreciated. Marrying you is my proudest choice I'll ever make. Ryan, I love you for who you were, who you are now, and who you've yet to become. Till death.
Sophia, I had no idea that meeting you would completely change my life in such an incredible way. You're such a caring, generous, and happy person. You light up any room that you walk into, and you make me feel at home wherever we are. I love that you're not as laid back as me, and sometimes I need you to boss me around if I'm being too lazy. I absolutely love your cooking, and most importantly, I love the way that you make me feel just standing beside you. I promise that I'll always try to be the best husband that I can be, and I promise to never quit on us. Sophia, I never thought I could love somebody as much as you. I'm so happy and so proud to be able to call you my wife, and I'm so ready to spend the rest of my life with you.
So grateful to be here in this moment, holding the space for you both. As you look into each other's eyes, just reflect on the connection that you do share, one that is often so strong, it feels like you're reading each other's minds. That intimate space of partnership that even though there are people that are close to you who know you both so well, there's something about the space between you that only you two can truly know. Cherish this. I know that you already do. You keep it as something sacred, something to protect. Sophia and Ryan, you have formalized the existence of the bond between you with words spoken and with the giving and receiving of rings. It's my honor to pronounce you husband and wife, and when you're ready, you can kiss.
It's true, there's things these photographs don't show. When she took my hand, dream